Assalamualaikum everyone. Hope you all are good at home. Yes, class 4. Now we are going to do what? We are going to start a new lesson. That is unit number 2 of your maths book, Macmillan 4A. That unit number is 2. That is about number pattern and algebra. So what we will do in this one, we are going to do the first page of this unit, page number 14. We are doing page number 14 of this book. In this, what we have to do first, they are saying thousands. Now we are going to read the thousands value. In the previous class, we know the place value of unit 10, 100, 1000, and then now we are going to find which one comes. So we are going to learn about thousands places. Now, the place will, wait a minute. The place value chart help us read large numbers. How we are going to read
Teacher,
the large numbers?
teacher,
How we are going to read the large numbers? You can see they write a very large number
teacher,
on your book. How we will do this one? How we will read this one? You can see they write it here once and here they write thousand. Under ones they use unit, 10 and hundreds. Under ones they write what? Unit, tens, hundreds. Then they write thousands. They write here thousands. In a thousands, first value is units, the second one is tens, and the next one is hundreds. So this one is unit, this one is tens, this one is hundreds, then this one is thousands, this one is thousand, but a single thousand. Unit means a single thousand. Then 10,000. This is 10 and you can see on 8,000. So it is 10,000. It means there are, we have 10,000, two values of thousands. Then 100,000. It means we have three values on thousand. So how we are going to read this one? You can see here they write it together, is read as 41 4,17,369. 400,000, 17,369. So in a 400,000, how many zeros we have? We have 5 zeros. Fine. And in a 10,000, how many zeros we have? 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 4 zeros in a 10,000. And in a 1,000, we know we have 3 zeros. And in a 100, we have 2 zeros. And in 10, we have 1 zero. And in unit, we have only a 1 digit. So how we will do this one? They are saying complete this table. How you will complete this table? 65,245. 65,245. So we are going to start reading from the right side. The 5 is units. So we are going to write 5 here under units. And the next one is tens, that is 4. So we are going to write 4 under tens. Then we have 2. We know its place is it is on hundreds place. So we are going to write under hundreds. Then you can see we write 65,000. 65,000. So we write under the thousands one. Okay. So now in thousands, the first one is unit. This 5 is unit. It's mean only 1,000. That is 5. So we are going to write under this unit. We are going to write 5 here. And after this one, this 6 is on tens place. So we are going to write under tens place under the thousands one. Okay, under the thousand one. So we are going to write 6 here. We have not hundreds, thousands, so we are not going to write anything here. The next one is 100,180. I'm going to solve this one on the board for you. Look at the board, everyone. How we will do this one? First, I'm going to write thousands. And here, ones. Going to make a table. And we know under ones, we have what? Under ones, we have 3 place values, 1, 2, and this one is 3. The first one is units, the second one is tens, and the third one is 100. And under thousands, we know that we have again 3 place values under 8. So we are going to write unit, 10, and 100. So I'm going to do the second one,
Teacher.
for you, that is 100,000 100,000 and 180. 180. Whenever we are reading the when we read the bigger value, larger value, what we do first, we start going to read from the right side. This zero, where zero we know that is unit, then tens, then 100. So these 3 values come under this ones. These 3 values come under this ones. So I know Zero is on units place, so I'm going to write under unit, and 8 is on tens place, so I'm going to write 8 under tens. Then 100 I have. So how many 100 I have? 1. So I'm going to write 1 here. The next one is we are going to move on thousands places. So how we are going to recognize the thousands places? Under thousands, you can see I write unit, 10 and 100. Now you can see here on the notes that I have 100,000. Now in a thousands, this value is units, this one is tens, and this one is hundreds. So under thousand, how many units I have? I have 0 units. So what I write under it? 0. Now in thousands, and under what I'm going to write under 10? I am going to look at my value. I have 0. So what I'm going to write here? 0. And in hundreds, how many hundreds we have? 1. So how I'm going to read this value? I'm going to read this value like this. 100,000, 100,000, 180. Fine. 100,000, 180. We are going to read this value like this. How we are going to read the large numbers? Like this. Okay. Now come to the next question, that is what we are saying in question number 2. Circle the digit in each number that represents the number written in words. Written in words. So we know the first one is unit, 10, 100, then 1,000, then 10,000, and then 100,000. So we are saying circle the digit in each number that represents the number written in words. What they write? 60,000. They are saying circle the place value of 60,000. So we know the first one is, I'm going to do this one on board. How we will do? Question number 2, part A, that is 6, 6, 7, 6, 6, 7 again, and we are saying circle the place value of 60,000. So how we are going to read this value? We know the first one is unit, then we have 10, then we have 100. Fine. After 100, we have 1,000 only. Then the next one is 10,000. How we are going to represent it? First T is for the 10, and the next one is for the 1,000. Okay, that is 10,000, and now the last one is 100,000. H means 100, and TH means thousand. So I have to circle which digit? 60,000. The digit or place on 60,000, I have to circle it. 60,000. 60 means that we have tens. 60 means we have tens. So this one is unit and this one is tens. This one, if I'm going to read this value only, the place of this 6, it means that is only 60. But I need 60,000. What I need? 60,000. So the first 6 is, this 6 is only 60. The second 6 is shows only 600, and we know in 600, in a 100 we have 2 zeros. The next one is 7. It is on 1000 place. The next 6 is, that is tens place, and we know that is 60 because it is on 10 place. So first I write the first 0 is for tens, and then you can see there is 1000, 60,000. Now I'm going to write zeros of 1000. How many zeros in a 1000? 3. So how many zero I'm going to write here? 3 more. This is, now this is 60,000, and we have to circle which one? 60,000, and we reached on our place value. So I'm going to circle this one. This is the right answer. Now I want to know this 6 shows which place value. You can see, first I'm going to write this 6. Then I'm going to see what I write here. 100. How many zeros I'm going to write with it? 2. First I'm going to write 2 zeros of 100. Then I'm going to look what I write with this 100. I write 1000. So I'm going to write zeros of 1000. How many zeros are in a 1000? 3. So I'm going to write 3 zeros with it. With the help of these zeros, I find my value. Okay, I find my value with the help of these zero. You can see this one is 60, this is 600, this is 60,000, and this is 600,000. This one is on 600,000, and I need which one? I want to find only 60,000. So I found my 60,000 here. So I circle this 6. Fine. If you understand this thing, you can find you can easily do your these parts of question. First, write your diary, class. Then ask the questions. Wait a minute, beta. First, write your diary. Your diary is book page number 14. Do page number 14 on notes. Write your diaries, everyone. Then ask the questions.